It's going to reverse the order. I'm going to ask Mr. Aale Muhammad from Chulalongkorn University and representing the Association of Pacific Rim Universities, APRU, to provide his intervention.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected audience. As Hala Lisani Shobha once said, youth revolution, the youth with solutions. As we tackle every issue with pride and passion, we do it without fear or favor. Gently wake up and smell the revolutionary coffee. Give us your ear, as we shall give you all the scoops as your daily bread. Forgive us, as we will not leave any stone unturned. Thank you, respected organizers and participants of the 10th APFSD, for allowing me to share my views. My name is Aale Muhammad. I belong to Pakistan, and I'm currently a student at Chulalongkorn University, Thailand. It is an honor for me to be here representing my fellow students from the Association of Pacific Rim Universities, or APRU, which supports members and partners to advance the Sustainable Development Goal in collaboration. The world at this point is undergoing major changes. We are experiencing changes not just in terms of global warming, but also in social and economical terms. The world that emerged as a result of recent COVID-19 pandemic is a world of chaos, where the majority of people were consumed by not only the physical illness, but also the mental health issues as a result of the financial meltdown due to COVID. The economy as of now is still in shambles, and we can even see the effect of it in terms of banking crisis across the globe. Youth are directly affected by these changes. Therefore, it is important for the youth, such as students like myself, to be able to take part in discussions and action in addressing the challenges, as we have to be responsible for our futures. I believe that with the right approach and proper integration of youth from across the globe, we will gradually emerge from these crises and make this world a better place. Whenever we talk about the revolution, we see that it has been the youth most of the time that played an important role in shaping the destiny. In order to bring revolution in today's world, it is the youth who can play an important role in promoting the SDGs. The youth today has more opportunities to acquire advanced knowledge and to access the technology to develop groundbreaking ideas and solutions. The use of social media is very popular among the youth, which makes us socially alert and aware of all the problems happening around the globe. We only need a platform where we can stand together and merge our ideas. Our ideas and thoughts must be brought to the mainstream in order to facilitate the growth of society in terms of skills as well as contribution to the SDGs. The countries located in Asia-Pacific region are standing on great resources, both in terms of natural and manpower. The youth in Asia-Pacific region are very dynamic as well. We can play a significant role in supporting SDGs by raising our voices and providing skills. To make us enablers of change, youth needs platforms and more support to be connected internationally. The APRU SDG Education for Global Citizenship program is one such platform where the students from diverse cultural and societal backgrounds are connected and encouraged to work in team, overcoming our differences so that we will learn to participate and contribute to the society actively. I was fortunate to be part of this program. The mentors of the program supported students to develop a social innovation project. It encouraged us to acquire the knowledge and leadership skills required to create a concrete impact in the society. This program brought together students across the Pacific Rim from different cultural and academic backgrounds and encouraged the flow of knowledge equally to devise common solutions for different issues that exist currently. All the students' teams who were part of this program presented their brilliant ideas. I was inspired by my fellow students as well. Importantly, this triggered us to come and continue to work together in the future. This has been a very exciting experience for me. In order to bring the youth together, universities can offer more programs such as this to motivate us to interact more. Universities can also provide resources to let us try out our actions. But I also learned the importance of other actors such as APRU, a university network which collaborates with UN agencies to empower future leaders to build a more sustainable world. Our learning experiences became more meaningful thanks to the support of United Nations Resource Person and other partners in the society. The APRU SDG Global Citizenship Program has done a great job in this regard, as several universities allowed their students to do such work, which resulted in flow of diversified ideas and knowledge. It can be further improved if more institutions take part and allow their young minds to inculcate with the people, learn from each other, and grow together. As the program supported us to develop a social innovation project, we can take advantage of startups empowered by the youth. The ideas brought up by the young people in such programs may still need refinement, but can be very valuable and innovative. Not only can these startups help recover the nations from the post-COVID struggles, but also provide a path to the futuristic models of world and unity. It can also ensure the fulfillment of Goal 17 of the SDGs, which is the partnership for the goals, empowered by the institutions, providing their mind and the youth by providing their skill and innovations. I believe that it is about time that the countries and institutions strongly support the free movement and participation of youth. The struggle of youth can bring the society together and provide a safe passage to a protected future. We need to stand together at these times of despair and put our personal interests aside to think, feel, and act how we can create a safe future for our younger generations. Together we stand, divide we fall. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad.